Now you see the signals that make stepper drive work. In this video, we will learn everything about stepper drive. Come on to start this. We will start with circuit components. 24-volt DC power supply. Stepper drive, stepper motor, and Arduino Uno controller. It's time to connections. We will connect our power supply to VCC and ground terminals. After that, we will connect motor's coils to its terminals as shown in video. Now we will connect drive control terminals. As shown in Arduino pins out, we will find pin for 4 pulses that will control the distance and speed of motor. Pin 7 for direction to detect the motor direction. Now we will connect the pulses pin 4 to pulse positive in drive, and pin 7 to drive terminal direction positive, and ground to pulse negative and direction negative terminals as shown in video. Stepper drive deep switches. We will find 6 deep switches. Switches S1, S2, and S3 are for resolution. Switches number S4, S5, and S6 for detect the drive current value. Here is our circuit after connecting it. We will use oscilloscope to understand how drive motor work. We will connect oscilloscope channel 1 to pulses terminal and channel 2 to direction terminal in stepper drive to understand how does it work. Now we will make Arduino send the pulses and direction signals by pressing X positive in UGS. We will find pulses appears on oscilloscope on channel 1. And channel 2 will measure 5 volt on direction terminal. The number of pulses will control the number of motor revolutions, and distance between pulses will control the motor speed. Now we will press X negative in UGS to make Arduino send the motor opposite direction signals. We will find that channel to fall from 5 volt to 0 volt on direction terminal, but the same pulses on channel 1. This will change the motor direction as you see. The output of the drive you will find in how stepper motor work on my channel.